Hi friends, you need a perfect website for your business, and a suitable theme can make a perfect website. WP Themes channel makes this challenge easier for you, and we bring all the handpicked and well selected WordPress theme on this channel. If you want to create a website for Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, this video is for you. In this video, I have a very wonderful WordPress theme called Cryptoking. This is for Bitcoin and ICO landing WordPress websites. This theme has been developed by KLB Theme, and KLB Theme are elite authors. The theme came into existence in 2018, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. This theme is compatible with many advanced plugins: WooCommerce, WPML, WPBakery Page Builder, and Revolution Slider etc. Cryptoking is a WordPress theme exclusively built for ICO, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and coin websites. So, if you are in plan for making a website in this category, just watch this video until end, and I believe you shall be able to create a wonderful website using Cryptoking WordPress theme. If we talk about the demo website, this is one of the demo website made with the Cryptoking theme, and it is presenting the content in a very suitable and perfect manner. So you can see the stunning look and perfect look. This is being the another website, and it is also having a very perfect and adequate look for presenting the content related to cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. This is being the dark version. So we have 4 choices in this theme as pre-made website: a theme for Bitcoin and ICO landing page WordPress theme. And so there are many features that has been added with this theme. There are 4 ICO landing pages. WPBakery Page Builder is here, Revolution Slider, and advanced theme options. You can get the one-click installation option built on Bootstrap 4. These are the features, and in this video we are going to overview the complete features that is available with the Cryptoking WordPress theme by installing the cryptocurrency WordPress theme, by importing the demo data, creating a demo website. We will preview the theme options and all such customization options that is required for creating a website of cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. So watch this video until end, and I request, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please do subscribe this channel. I am going to bring wonderful WordPress theme, plugins and utilities for you. Let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress, and it is running 2021 default WordPress theme on the latest version of WordPress, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have Cryptoking chat theme. Demo data has been given separately in XML format. Documentation, licensing is here. Main theme file is available, and some plugins has been provided in the pre-packed manner with the theme pack. This is Easy Installer, Inverter Market, Visual Composer, KLB Shortcode, Option Tree, and Revolution Slider. So these are the plugins that is available in the theme pack itself, and we shall be using main theme file for our installation purpose. To install the theme, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and add new theme, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose cryptoking.zip that is available under main theme folder. So you can upload the theme directly to the WP content themes folder if you are having direct access on your server. I am going to do the same. I wish to show you the theme file size. You can upload the theme using your file manager or directly through your cPanel at WP file manager options. Okay, so this is basically WP content themes folder where we need to upload the theme file. Let us upload it, and I'm selecting the cryptoking.zip, and okay. So theme file size is really very less. This is a well optimized theme, and amazingly this theme file size is 1.27 MB, which is really very less. So the theme got uploaded within seconds, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. The extraction outcome is this Cryptoking folder in which we got all the theme components, folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one, which is not required. We have already extracted it. And yes, both the activities of uploading the theme are same. So you can use this WordPress interface, or you can directly upload to your hosting in the WP content themes folder. Both are same. Don't repeat the process, don't get confused. So now we have already uploaded the theme and extracted the theme, and in the theme section now we have Cryptoking as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Cryptoking version 2.0.9 with me, and that I am using for this demonstration purpose. And this theme is also available in on the WP themes website along with the hosting plan. You can choose a suitable hosting plan as required for you, and that hosting plan comes with the pre-installed theme with your selected demo. So you can start building your website by putting your content immediately if you choose that plan. So that is available. Just follow the link. Every details you'll find on that particular link on web page. Okay, so now we can activate the theme, and upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete features of this theme. And this is the plugin installer screen that is indicating only one required plugin, that is Envato Market Master. Okay, and rest plugins are only recommended, but we are going to install all the plugins so that you may understand the complete theme features, and we may showcase or feature the complete features of this theme. Okay, so I'm going to install all the plugins in one go, and you may choose to install plugins one by one if you are not confident about your server capacity, but I am confident. So this is why I have chosen to install all the plugins, and you can see all plugins got installed within seconds. This is the beauty of hosting. That is available in the demo link given in the description of this video, so you can avail the same. Okay, so return to the plugin installer screen, and now it is time to activate the installed plugins. Okay, so now we can also activate the plugins in one click only. And okay, so all plugins got successfully installed and activated, and simply click on the dashboard. Okay, so it's a welcome page for WPBakery, and yes, we have installed all plugins, and now it is time to take a view of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugins. And this is being the basic look of Cryptoking WordPress website theme. I mean the website made with the Cryptoking WordPress theme. And okay, so this is without any demo content, and yes, you may be wondering, you need to create a website like any of these. So we can go for the demo content import at this stage. However, you can start building your website scratch from here if you want to put your own design blocks and you want to use your own wireframe. But WordPress is known for the pre-made website, and you might be willing to have a ready-made website like this, and you can start your website just putting by your own contents. So we are going to import the demo content now, and after that I will show you the theme options and what we got in this installation. So demo content importer is available under appearance tab, and this is install demo option, and here we can choose our desired layout or pre-made website. So these are the 4 options you can see, and I'm choosing the very first one considering it default, and you can choose the blue and light or dark, whatever you need. So okay, so I'm installing the default one. Simply click on install default demo, and it is taking time. Okay, content installed successfully. It is amazing why I got this message so quickly. It cannot be so, because it may take it usually takes 1 or 2 minutes at least, but if it is saying the content installed successfully, we can check the pages. if we have received any pages. Otherwise we can go for the manual import as well. Okay, so we have pages. It's amazing. And how it works. Home page is here, and let us see how it looks. And yes, website is here. It is strange that we got. Let us recheck the main. Yes, this is the website. Okay, so we have not received the complete page, in fact. So this is only, we have received only this area. And let us check the website, in fact. And yes, the complete website is here. It is not half, in fact. The complete website we got in a second. How it can be, but it is really true. And we have the complete website here. In just few seconds, in a simple click, we got all the contents. And it is strange and unbelievable for me as well. So I am again going to check the media library, what media files we have received. Oh, it is amazing and really beautiful. We got 34 media items within seconds. So it is really great and supersonic speed by the developer server. Okay, so it also depends on our server. So it is very good that we got all the media files, all the required media files, and complete website is here. So it is a ready website, and we can start putting our content immediately. And I can see there is no menu here, and here is the menu. So we can assign a menu if there is already, and I am checking the menu now. And there is no menu items here. So primary one, let us check what. Okay, so there is no item available, so I will assign some items. How it works, about, token, roadmap. Let a roadmap, token, about, how it works, home. So we can log in. Login is already there, so I can check. It works, about, token, roadmap, team, FAQ, contact, team, and FAQ page is not available. Again, simple, subscribers, clients, white paper. Okay, so let us add these pages at our menu, and let us save this menu. Okay, so home should be at very beginning, and about after that. Roadmap can be here, team, token, and how it works. Okay, so you can arrange the pages as you want. And now we can assign the menu as well. Menu 1 is already assigned here. So now menu should be here, and okay, great. So menu is here. It is very simple installation, and I was just showing the steps to show you how simple really it is. So you can make your website similarly and just put your content. And now I'm going to show you what we have received in this installation. I'm in the theme option and all such things what we have received. So let us preview the theme options. This is being the theme option config page, general config page, and this is here we can upload the logo and logo text. Loader is preloader, loader can be on, toggle off or on. A skin type, you can select the skin type, blue, dark, light, and green. So it is great. Menu type, you can have the menu type transparent or not transparent. Header, you can control the header colors and buttons. So login and our app, you can change the text of buttons that is available in the header. Color setting, you can completely change the gradient first color and gradient second color. Blog layout is here. Google Fonts is available. Just you just in case if you want to change the fonts, you can change the fonts from here. Typography options are here, map settings, footer and copyright text can be changed from. That is very simple setting, and these simple settings are really going to be helpful in controlling your website, and nothing additional has been given. So it is very simple theme, and it is serving the purpose for which it has been developed, and I believe you are going to use this theme for your cryptocurrency or Bitcoin website or ICO landing page website. This is a simple and great theme, of course, and since this theme uses WPBakery Page Builder, so you can simply edit the page contents as well. So just in case if you want to edit the page, so I will show you in a page. Okay, it is a single page website, so it is not like about or all that. So it is anchor tagged. However, pages are available, so you can use these pages not as single page website. You can make this website as multiple pages website. So all pages are available. I'll show you the pages, and this is about page, and we can check the about page as well. So this is a page, and you can map these pages to your menu as you want. So pages are available, pre-made pages are here. Okay, so it is great, and now I am going to show you how you can edit the page content using the WPBakery Page Builder. You might be aware about all such things, but I'm considering the beginners who are developing the website at very first time. And okay, so the backend editor can be good. However, you may click on the pencil icon for the section you want to edit, and if you are new at WPBakery Page Builder, I will advise you to take a backup of page using any duplicator plugin. So this is being the backend editor, and it is very simple. You can click on the pencil icon. Just remember, you have to use same dimension image if you are going to change the image, same dimension image that has been used in the demo content, or same length text that has been shown in the demo content, so that integrity and design layout of your website remains intact. Don't disturb the design layout, it is going to disturb your website look, and you might disturb the complete CSS patterns and all such things. So keep in mind, you have to use the similar length or similar image. So all these things are should be kept in mind, and you can simply click on the pencil icon for the area which you want to edit, and you can change the text and all such things. So it is very simple. It is just like editing on a Word document. Okay, so it is very simple, and we got a perfect website. And I believe you might have certain questions regarding this theme. Don't hesitate asking any question in the comment section of this video, or follow the link given in the description of this video to get this theme. And also you can get in touch directly with me to discuss more about the customization options and all such things. So I can make another videos, customized video as per your requirement. So let us meet on our another video that is going to bring wonderful WordPress theme, plugin or utilities or WordPress tips for you. Thanks for watching. Keep building. Thank you.